everyone! Welcome back to the channel with yet another amazing and affordable study abroad opportunity. In this video, you'll be learning how to apply for Lithuania Study Visa process step by step, required documents, how much work you can do, can you travel with family or not, what is the visa process time, and most importantly, what to do if you get refusal. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And a very humble request, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. Lithuania has a bit of a different system than other European countries, and hence it requires some different documents as well. So if you won't watch the full video, then apply the visa at your own risk. So Lithuania is a small and modern European country, having a bit of everything and an amazingly ideal place for international students who want to study abroad on a budget with quality education and great living standard. So now let's learn about the step-by-step process for the Lithuania visa, talking about the documents. First of all, you need an admission acceptance letter for Lithuanian University. And if you don't know how to get an admission in Lithuania, I have a dedicated video on that. Link is in the description. Make sure to check that. Then you need to get an appointment with Lithuanian embassy in your home country and fill up the application form, which looks like this. In addition to that, there is an important and uncommon document you need, a letter which is known as a mediation letter. This letter is sent by the Lithuanian Higher Education Department or University directly to the Lithuanian Migration Services. And last but not the least, you need an accommodation proof as well. Then all other traditional documents that we usually send for any other visa, like your passport, photographs, insurance, and tickets. Once you have sent your documents, it takes a maximum of 3 weeks to get a decision from the Lithuanian embassy on your visa. And in most cases, they even send their decision within 15 days. Now talking about the working hours you are allowed on your student visa. You can work up to 20 hours during your studies and full-time on your off days, like summer and other holidays. Now for those of you who want to take their families with them, you are allowed to bring your spouse in Lithuania. However, initially, you can bring them on a visit visa. Then after that, you can apply for temporary residence. But it's really very hard to get a spouse visa in Lithuania being a student. However, you can get them in Lithuanian with no problem at all once you receive your own residence permit. Now let me give you a bonus info here. If you get a refusal on your study visa, you will get a reason for refusal as well, which is quite a rare thing. Once you receive the reason, you may apply again after fixing the issue in your application or file an appeal on your existing file. This is all about the Lithuania Study Visa process. If you like the information, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one.